In this video, I'm going to show you how to add members to your WhatsApp community. Now, open WhatsApp and then go to the community you want to add members to. You just tap on the community tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap and open the community, and then here there are two ways you can add members. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the invite member option. Tap on this. Here you'll be able to copy a URL to send them to add them to the community, or you can send them a link via WhatsApp. And then finally, you can add members. Tap add members and this will pull up your contact and you can add your WhatsApp contact. Tap on the person you want to add to your WhatsApp community as a member and then tap on the check mark at the bottom. Here tap add and they'll be added to your WhatsApp community as a member. Members in the community will be able to move from one group to another within the community and also send messages within the general group as well as groups that they are members of. So that's how to add members to WhatsApp community. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video.